did I do? What did I do?
Domestic battery.
What? What the fuck? You not see my lip?
Right from the start, this case is already raising red flags. We've got accusations flying for both sides, a missing truck, visible injuries, and emotions running high. But here's the thing. Officers can't rely on who yells the loudest. They have to follow the evidence. So, who's really telling the truth? Let's find out.
You come out here and talk with me.
Can I get my stuff?
Just come out here and talk with me first.
Let me get my stuff too.
Alright, well, don't go back here.
And you're stepping all
Go back
over
here.
my clothes. Everybody is. Sorry.
Go back here so we can talk. So what's going on?
She took my truck this morning. I called her mom. We're at the Royal. I said, hey, she took my truck. I said, have you seen her? She said no. And I was like, she's been gone for 3 hours. She called and I was like, will you please bring me my truck? I want to leave the hotel by 11. She said no. This guy down here called me and said, hey, your truck's here. You want to come get it? I was like, yeah. I come down here and I was like, please give me my keys. So then I grabbed her purse and threw it outside so she wouldn't get it. She just has me so mad. I just want to be done with her. I'm going to be done with her.
So what happened? Somebody called in a battery?
Nothing bad. I mean, she took my hat off my head.
You got scratch marks on your neck?
It wasn't a bad one.
Okay, just hold tight right here. What's going on?
I asked him if I could go get us some drinks and some food.
Mm-hmm.
You just said
Hey,
what?
talk to me. So what's going on?
And you told me yes, okay?
Told you yes for what?
Yes, and then I'm a slut and everything because I went to McDonald's and the line was long as f***, so I said f*** that, right? So then I went all the way. I'm not doing this.
What happened to your lip?
Nothing. Hey, give me my peach rings,
Hey.
sir. Those aren't yours.
Ran, so what happened?
He let me
Sam,
borrow the
hold on.
vehicle. He threw all my things out. My phone's probably broken. Dude. He was trying to say I've been gone since 8:30. I left at 8:30. I went to my grandmother's, correct?
Okay,
Okay, at 8:30 I left and went to my grandma's. I was there for maybe 30 minutes just because I was trying to see what the hell my mom had brought over there in mine because she was doing laundry there. Okay, so I was trying to get some of my belongings.
okay.
Can I grab my clothes out of his truck, please?
No, I want you to tell me what happened first. That's why we're here.
I apologize. I was there for 30 minutes, not even. He's already called my phone, called me a fucking whore, stupid bitch, fucking cussing me out and asking me where I'm at. I said, going through McDonald's, which I was literally on my way to McDonald's. Yes, I lied. I wasn't there yet. But I was getting there, you know? When I get there, it's a long-ass line. So, therefore, I did not go. I decided to say, that. I'm not going through McDonald's. Then, I went to Ginger Ale's.
Okay.
And somebody in front of me had hit the goddamn... the little bar.
Listen carefully to how the story keeps shifting. She insists she was only trying to help. Yet every new detail seems to create more questions than answers. In investigations like this, consistency matters. Contradicting yourself can seriously damage your credibility, especially when independent witnesses are involved.
The little bar. That took me a minute. Then after that, I'm trying to get a hold of him to see what he wants to eat. And he's just, you bring my fucking car, you stupid slut. I bet you've been fucking everybody in the whole town, you fucking whore. Obviously, I hit the block button. Then he just shows up here with another bitch trying to drag me out of his truck. Knowing damn well, I literally said I would get in the passenger side.
Why are you screaming?
I'm not screaming.
You are. You're raising your voice.
Yes, there's a difference. I'm being passionate because this hurts my feelings. I would never steal anyone's vehicle. I have my own. I was trying to be genuine and do something out of kindness for him for once because he's always doing for me.
So what happened when he showed up here with somebody else to get his truck?
He came up here just being automatically fucking... First of all, I had hit the lock button because I was worried. Obviously, he scares me. He scares the fuck out of me. Especially with the way he was already talking to me. I came here and they knew I was here. And I was simply saying, can I come in? And I was going to call him, bring your truck, or you can come get it. But I don't want, any issues. Anyways, I asked him. I really got them for him. I really did. Do you want to take them back to him?
I don't care. You want to talk to Holly? She's got a witness statement over
Yep.
there.
He was just telling me that he's given her permission to drive the truck in the past, but this morning when they were getting ready to leave the Travelers, she was talking about going to get McDonald's, and he was like, no, don't leave. Like, let me drive, and then she took off in his truck.
Yeah, this truck's going to be a civil issue because his letter drives it all the time. But what'd your witness say?
Basically, she pulled up here, was throwing stuff outside of the truck. He called Bellinger, said, hey, your truck's here. And he goes, I've been looking for it for 3 hours. Came here in another truck, got dropped off. They said she was just wailing on him. with like a yellow bag, hitting him and throwing stuff, and he goes, and he did not do a single thing. He goes, he didn't touch her. He goes.
And this is the turning point. Once officers locate an eyewitness whose account matches the physical evidence, the entire investigation changes direction. Domestic violence cases often come down to injuries, witness statements, and probable cause, not just conflicting stories between two people.
I was actually quite impressed because he goes, I don't even think I would have been able to hold off from retaliating. I guess.
He's saying the domestic happened, but you have a witness saying that she was hitting him.
Yeah.
But that's what he just told me. He said, was it going to get her in trouble? I said, just be honest. And he's like, yeah, she said me.
Okay.
And I asked him what happened to her lip, and he said she bit it.
It looks like a bite mark at the front of
Yeah.
it. Hey, Brianna, can I have you stand up for me? You're going to go to jail, okay?
What the f*** did I do?
Stand up.
What did I do?
Domestic battery.
What? What the f***? Do you not see my lip? Are you taking him too? Are you taking
Put your hand
him
behind your
too?
back.
What the f***?
Here comes the moment she never expected. Shock quickly turns into outrage as the handcuffs come out. But notice something important. Arguing with officers during an arrest rarely changes the outcome. At this stage, the decision has already been made based on the evidence collected.
What the f***? Do not see my f***ing... What the f*** did I do?
Quit pulling away.
Do not slip out of the cuffs.
I'm not sleeping. Are you taking him too? Where is he?
Don't worry about it.
Brianna, stand right there and hold
How are you
still.
not gonna take him too? Do you not see my lip? Are you serious right now? Hold on, I need my
Come on.
belongings.
Oh, we'll get all your stuff.
No, I need my belongings, sir. That is not fair. You're not allowed to do that. You are hurting my arm. You're hurting my arm. Let it go, please. You're hurting. Ow! Are you taking it too?
Got any weapons on you?
No, I don't.
Anything you don't want to take to jail?
No, but I want my phone and my stuff. I don't know why I'm
Put your
going
stuff-
to jail.
put
I
your
did
foot in
not
there.
touch him.
Put your foot in there.
I did not touch
They
him.
say you beat him with a purse.
What? He hit me first. What the fuck? Do you not see my lips? No, you didn't even hear my side of the story. And you are not allowed to do that. You are not allowed to do that. Give me my shit. Now! I pressed it.
Even after being arrested, she continues insisting she's the real victim. That's not unusual in emotionally charged domestic incidents. But once an arrest is made, the courtroom, not the roadside, is where both sides get the opportunity to challenge the evidence and tell their full story.
Pockets right there.
There was a key on the ground right there.
She got it. She picked
Oh.
it up whenever gold black one. Yeah, with a little like. Oh, that might be hers. It looked like for like a Toyota or something.
You don't have your truck keys?
We'll look.
I'll search her again.
That's her purse. We haven't searched it yet.
Okay. She said she had a bed at 4 o'clock. I was going to make her late by arresting her.
I don't know what the truck keys look like.
No, I didn't. Unless.
Is this it?
Yep, that's it.
My money, everything. It's all.
Brought to the jail, one
What the
female,
hell did you guys try to
37.2.
give me? I don't do shit. He
37.
sells drugs.
0.2.
He sells drugs. I'm a baby. What the? When I put my hands on a man, me and him, my mouth is literally bleeding, and you want to fucking.
And we had a
No, you
witness.
get sued, baby. You get sued. You get sued. Second time.
I thought you were going to rehab.
Huh?
I thought you were going to rehab.
I am.
I don't believe you.
No, you don't have to believe me because the only motherfucker that has to believe me is my goddamn self. I don't do shit to nobody.
Because you told me you had a bed at 4 o'clock the other day when I arrested you.
Yeah, and then guess what?
You lied.
No, you dumbass. There is no need for two of you to
Okay,
be
we'll hop
touching
out.
me. Okay,
We're not going to
do
touch you if you just get out.
Don't touch me at all. And next time I
Walk through
say,
here. Come on.
don't touch me,
Come
I
on.
just said don't touch me at all. Didn't I?
You already got a resisting charge, so
No, the fuck I don't.
yes, you do.
Oh, and I already told you it's
Go
going to
through
be
here.
dropped. Did I not? Did I
You're
not?
gonna be attacked.
Don't
Go.
touch me. Hey, ma'am. Hey, you see this? You see this mark on my body? Just have a seat. Look at me. Brianna,
Don't
have a
touch
seat.
me.
Don't elbow
don't
me
touch
or you're
me.
going to get
I did not elbow
Yes,
you.
you did.
You are fucking insane.
Face the counter. You're about to get another one.
I'm not touch you.
I don't like the theatrics.
The theatrics.
All right, I'll have you sit in the blue chair.
I could have too.
Not yet. You're acting too.
So Gerard just doesn't like me. How long have you been an officer?
Gerard? Did you just call me Gerard?
I don't know, and I don't care what your last name is. How long have you been an officer? That's what I want to know.
9 years.
9 years, okay. You know my father?
In the end, this case shows exactly why investigators focus on facts instead of emotions. Witness testimony, physical evidence, and officer observations ultimately carried more weight than the arguments at the scene. Do you think the officers made the right call, or would you have handled this situation differently?